Sayangku TV.
It's time for the children.
sayangku TV.
When he comes
the glory.